Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to install the ARRL Field Day Contest log from N3FJP on Linux Mint. These instructions should work for Linux Mint 22.1 or Ubuntu 24.04. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and download the Field Day Contest log software. These instructions, I've only tested them in Field Day with the Field Day Contest log, but they should in theory work for any of the logs, including the general purpose AC log or the Winter Field Day logs. Your mileage may vary, but it should work. So once we have it all downloaded, we can close out our browser. The next thing we're going to want to do is go to Software Manager. And in here, we're going to search for wine-installer. There are two wine packages available with Linux Mint. The wine installer package, which is Linux Mint specific, and will include a couple of other packages that make wine work a little nicer with Linux Mint. There's also just the regular wine package, which should also work. So if you're in Ubuntu or Debian, you could use just the regular wine package. But for Linux Mint, you can use wine-installer. So we'll say install. We'll come back once this is all installed. All right, now that wine installer is completed, let's go back and now we will search for wine tricks. Okay, with both of those packages installed, we can get started. There is unfortunately one small bit of terminal magic we will have to work here. It's not too bad, I promise you, but you should open up a terminal. And now we're going to say all caps, wine arch equals, and then lowercase, win32. And then we will type in wine tricks. Now the reason we need to do this is because wine tricks actually has a little bug where it will default to 64-bit architecture, and we need just a 32-bit architecture in order to make this work. So wait a moment. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to enable silent install. This isn't necessary, just makes the next process a little nicer because you don't need to sit here and click next, next, next on all the dialog boxes. So we'll say enable silent install, click OK. All right, the screen flashes. Now we will say select the default wine prefix. OK. You could pick yes or no here, that's up to you. I've selected no. All right, install a Windows DLL or component is our next option. Okay, so the two packages we will need to install for N3FJP are .NET 4.8. So scroll down till you find that, and Jet 4.0. Keep scrolling till you see Jet 4.0 and choose that. Now these are going to install a couple other packages as well, but the only two that you need to select to make this work are .NET 4.8 and Jet 4.0. That will install .NET 4.0 and MDAC27, but you don't need to select those individually. Just these two is fine. So again, those two are Jet 4.0 and .NET 4.8. So now we just click OK. So in your terminal, you'll see a bunch of stuff go by. You'll also see some dialog boxes sort of flash and go away. You will get this warning. It's fine. It's sufficient for our needs. And now we wait. All right, once you see the Winetricks window pop up again, you're done with the prerequisite installs. So now the next step is to install the software itself. So we can choose run an arbitrary executable. And now we just need to find our downloads, fieldday.exe. And now we have our field day contest log installer. And we can choose to launch field day contest log as well. And there you have it. Register if you have a registration key. Fill out your So yeah, we can pick a mode, enter a call. It logs it just fine. And so that is how to install N3FJP ARRL field day contest log on Linux Mint 22. When you're done with playing around with the field day contest log application, you can go ahead and close it out, and you can just hit cancel from Winetricks a couple times. Close out the terminal window as well. You should have a desktop icon if you chose to create one. If not, it should also be in your menu over here. I believe, yeah, it's under the wine prefix. You can see field day contest log here. there you have it.